Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how to make this very elegant spoon candle. Here I have put an actual candle in the center. You can opt out to use an actual candle or a tea candle. So let's get started. So for this I've taken a normal plastic spoon. These are pretty durable actually. So yeah, I would recommend the more strong ones, but if you have like the flimsy ones, it works. So here I've just taken a pillow cover and I'm basically just gonna break the spoon really, right on the head of the spoon, and make sure to dispose of any little plastic pieces that come off. I would also recommend wearing glasses during this point in case of any flying plastic. So now I just end up with this. As you can tell, there is a slight crack there. So I'm going to show you how to fill up a crack in case you get a crack in there. So I've just taken some normal school glue, this is washable, and a tissue paper. And now I'm just going to draw a line on top of the crack and let it sit there for a few seconds. Now I'm just going to take the cloth and wipe it off to get any excess off. Make sure that this is a very smooth transition, and then I'm just gonna kind of pinch the spoon to make sure to get any excess glue out of the crack and just kind of hold it there for a few seconds, and make sure that you do it on the back, not the front. And there you go. There is still a line there, but it is very, very small. So that is it. So I've just done this for 16 spoons in total. Also, these are all recycled spoons. They have been used before, so I just washed them and used them. So now I just have a paintbrush and a bottle of paint. I'm using Aqua paint from Craftsmart. So now I'm just going to paint the spoons. Depending on your paint, it might take a few more coats or less depending on the thickness. So I did 2 coats on the front and 1 coat on the back, and it seemed to work pretty well. So I just have a tray to the left and I'm just painting the spoons and sitting there to dry. So now I've painted all 16, and I painted the back as well and the sides. Make sure to get the sides. And I've also just cut out this piece of cardboard. This was like 4 inches in diameter, I'm pretty sure, and it's just like a piece of normal cardboard, and I painted the top the same color as the aqua. So now you want to grab 10 of the spoon heads. Make sure that you only grab 10 because then the numbering will be off, and the spacing actually works best with 10 spoons. And I just have my hot glue gun here, and I'm basically just going to put a little dot there on the cardboard and then take a spoon and glue the bottom of it to the cardboard. And now I'm just going to do this all the way around as shown here. So you want to put the spoons relatively close together, but there should still be a little gap between them. So here I'm just finishing it up. So there's the first layer, the 10 spoons. As you can tell, the center circle is pretty perfect and you should end up with a shape like that in the center. So now I'm going to apply some glue onto the base spoons and then into the middle of the center circle, and then put on the next spoon. So you should have 6 left at this point. So I'm going to put these 6 spoons on the inside circle. So make sure to put some glue on the base spoons that you already have. And it doesn't have to align perfectly here, like it doesn't have to be in the middle or anything of the base spoons. It should just go around in the circle. So this is what it looks like now. Here it is. I think it looks very, very nice and elegant. So I've just taken a tea light here and I just turned it on. You can't really see it on camera, but it is on. And that's what this candle looks like. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you guys try out this DIY. It's so simple and very, very quick to make. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!